Hey, welcome to another installment of Tone's Garage. This is my son's 67 Mustang project. We had to remove the roof because, as you can see, somebody, previous owner, installed a sunroof. You used to be able to go to any Pet Boys and get those aftermarket sunroof kits, and then somebody welded this whole plate of steel to cover up the hole, but they warped the roof so bad on the underside here. You can see how they used about a 1/4 inch of Bondo, and there's part of the sunroof seam, but you know, that thick Bondo was cracking, just cracking, and we weren't having that. So we got a new donor roof, not a donor roof, actually a new roof from CJ Pony, and we'll show that in the next video. Thanks for watching.